everyone, and welcome back. It's Gina from orchidandopal.com. Today we will be opening the rotating Beads of the Month Club and the Findings Companion Pack that I received for March 2022. Beads of the Month Club has all different types of beading subscriptions that you can find out more about on their website, which is linked right down below. And I also have a coupon code if you'd like to try them out. That coupon code is OPAL10, OPAL10. That'll save you 10% off the first month of your first subscription. And you're welcome to sign up to more than one if you want to do that. They also have two different sizes of all their clubs. This particular one is the double size, so you get twice as many beads as you would in the single club. And this month in the rotation, I have gotten the 11O seed beads. These are all the high quality Miyuki Japanese round seed beads, and you can see that the theme this month is called Tropical Flowers. Every month there is a new and different theme that you'll receive, which means over time you're going to get a wide variety of colors and finishes to add to your beading collection. We'll look at the Findings Companion Pack after we check out the beads. That is an optional add-on with any bead subscription. All right, so Tropical Flowers, let's do a little flip over here so you get the idea of some of the things we're gonna check out today. Looks like a beautiful variety. And with all of their 11O seed beads of the month clubs, you get 8 different varieties, and there's 25 grams in each color for this double club. So let's go ahead and check out each of these colors now that we've had a little sneak peek up close, one at a time. First up is the transparent sapphire. You can see this very vibrant medium blue with the transparent glass, no additional finish or anything. These let some of that light pass through that rich blue color. Next, we have this lovely one. It's color-lined mint, and you can see that these are kind of like a crystal clear glass round seed bead with an opaque mint-colored lining that's giving us that really fresh-looking pastel green. And then we have silver-lined dark aqua. That silver lining is giving us that reflective quality that we see coming from the lining of these seed beads. They definitely have a rich blue color, just like that first selection, but these give us a little bit extra sparkle behind the blue. Container number 4 is holding the Crystal Ivory Gold Luster. So these have a very light caramely tone overall, and they add a bit of warm neutral to this color palette, maybe giving us some sandy beach flavor to go along with our tropical flowers. Then we have this beautiful dyed buttercream silver-lined alabaster. So they have that kind of creamy opal-like outer glass. They have the silver lining adding the touch of sparkle and shimmer and reflective quality behind this warm neutral. And they add yet another type of color and finish to this selection. You can see that all of the seed beads so far have had a little something different going on with each one, whether it be the lining or if they're transparent or opaque. And that's usually what we see with the Seed Beads of the Month clubs. We get a great variety. The next container is holding the silver-lined light teal. These have the very green-looking transparent glass. And these again have that silver lining giving us some sparkle behind that green color. So you can see we have these very beachy sand and sea and foliage colors, and we're going to finish this selection up with a couple of pops of purple and pink, starting with the silver lined purple. This is a stunning sort of royal purple color. Again, the transparent glass with the silver lining that offers us a beautiful contrasting color to some of these other selections. And then we wrap it up with our 8th and last color. This is the Duracoat Galvanized Matte Hot Pink. So that Duracoat means just what it sounds like. It's going to have that durable coating on the outside, which will keep that color intact for the long haul, which is what you want when you are making a creation. You'd hate for the color to eventually wash away. And this one has the galvanized in the name. Usually that refers to a metallic coating. Of course, these are a matte metallic. So they don't have that high reflective shine. They are more toned down, but still a lovely pink addition to our color selection this month. So there we have it for our seed bead selection. Now, if you are on the rotating club, you may have received this particular color palette, or you may have received something different just depending on their stock levels. Sometimes that can vary from person to person, but this is different from anything that I've received from them before, adding some great additional colors to my stash in the form of these high quality Miyuki seed beads, with plenty in each container to use for multiple projects. If you're only interested in signing up for Seed Beads monthly, you can definitely do that. You don't have to be on the rotating club. And the same goes for all of their clubs. So it's great if you know what you like and what you use, and you can sign up to receive those things every month. Now that that is out of the way, let's take a little look here at the Findings Companion Pack. It looks like the color of our findings this month is going to be gold. And here's a little sneak peek for you. I'm seeing some type of a maybe enameled leaf component there. The tone of the metal findings changes every month, so you'll also build up a nice selection of those over time. And these are always very high quality components to match the quality of the beads. So I've consistently been really happy with what they've sent. And just like we did with the beads, I'm going to get organized and then we'll take a look at each one of these items up close, one by one. First on the list is this 1.5 foot length of bar chain. It's a 0.9 millimeter. And this is a really unique item, something that you can also take apart and use as links, or you can insert beads in between these bars. So that's definitely something I probably wouldn't have picked out for myself, which is why I like these companion packs, because you end up getting a lot of unique findings and metallic components. And then here is that cloisonne maple leaf that we saw through the bag with that vibrant lime green color. It's very dimensional. You can see there is the other side, so it is the same on both sides. And we have the loop up there at the top you can use for attaching to your beadwork. They've also provided us with 2 pairs or 4 pieces in total of ear wires. They're called Stardust, with that textured ball component that these have. And they've also provided us with these stoppers to go along with these ear wires. Next, we have 2 toggle clasps with this sort of leaf-like detail. These are the same on both sides. And something that I want to mention that I like about the gold, when we receive gold varieties of findings through these packs, is they really do a good job at matching the tones, because sometimes that can be a little tricky with gold. You can have some that is a lot more brassy and some is more toned down, but these all tend to coordinate really well. Here we have 24 jump rings. These are a smaller 4 millimeter size. Something that always comes in handy with jewelry making is having coordinating jump rings in a variety of different sizes. And then we have 4 of these, or 2 pairs of these earring findings. It says they are gold plated over sterling silver, and each of these components has 4 loops on the bottom, 1 loop at the top, and that opening if you want to include anything inside of there and use these as a type of chandelier earring. And these are the same on both sides. So that is everything this month for the double 11.0 Miyuki Seed Beads of the Month Club and the Findings Companion Pack. Once again, you can use the coupon code OPAL10 to save 10% off the first month of your first club if you'd like to try them out. And you can find out all the details about their different clubs on their website, which is linked right down below the video. By signing up, you also get access to a free patterns page that changes every month. You'll get a link on the paper invoice that comes with your package, and that will take you to 3 downloadable patterns so you can build up your library of new patterns as time goes on. As usual, I'm very happy with this month's selection, both the seed beads and the findings, and I'll be back next week to show you the single versions of their hot and trendy and 2-hole Beads of the Month Club that arrived this month as well. I want to give you all a huge thank you for being with me today. I really appreciate having you. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this month's selection or anything else you'd like to say. Be sure to subscribe while you're here, and also hit that big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And feel free to share with your other bead-loving friends. That's all I have for now, though. Until next time, I hope to see you again real soon. Wishing you a wonderful day, and as always, happy beading.